Shh.
Hi, I'm Melissa from the AC Library, and in this video I'll show you how to use a resource that gives you access to statistical information. You can use Statista as long as you're on campus at AC. Unfortunately, you can't use this from home without seeing big charges to access the information. But as long as you are at AC, you can use it to find data for free. Statista provides pre-prepared graphs, charts, and other information that you can trust. These statistics are accurate and trustworthy. When you add these graphics to your papers or speeches, you'll have added support and interesting visuals. You can use this for just about every college assignment you have. Statista has 1 million statistics on over 80,000 topics from 18,000 sources. If you're trying to come up with a good topic for a persuasive speech or argumentative essay, you could browse topics here by industry, subject. There's a separate section for digital products, and the consumer market would help if you wanted to research soft drinks or clothing or anything a lot of us typically buy. Infographics are supercharged graphics that include animations. If you're researching a hot topic like gun ownership, you might get lucky and find an infographic on your topic. You can see them all listed by clicking on All Infographics here, but you'll also see these infographics on topics you search for if any are available. If you already know what your topic is, it's probably easiest to just type it in this box. You don't have to use quotation marks like we show you to do in other databases. You can, and it'll work. However, this resource isn't quite as sensitive, and with this topic of wind energy that I'm putting in here, by not using the quotation marks, I also found hits that use the phrase wind power. So usually it's easiest, with Statista at least, to just put one or two words into the search box. The system sorts automatically by the relevance of the results, so usually the first few you see will probably be the best matches to your topic. You can change this to sort by date, which is especially helpful when you're trying to find good statistics. Most of us want to use the newest numbers that are available. Notice that you have to hit the refresh button after making a change to this menu. Another way to limit the date can be found down here on the bottom left, where you can select an entire year for your search. And here's where you refresh the search if you use this feature. Back up here at the top, for most searches, this normal setting will be good enough. But if you don't have enough results, you could change this to the wide setting, and you'll get anything and everything that mentioned wind or energy. If you have too many results, you could change this to high and you'll get fewer, which will hopefully be even closer to your exact topic. Again, hit refresh to see the new result list. Now I'll do another search. Let's say I'm writing a paper on legalizing marijuana. Remember that in this resource it's usually best to just be super simple, so I'll just type in marijuana. Statista's default setting for the location should be set to the US, which is what I want now. But if you were actually focusing on other parts of the world, you could take this off and take advantage of this limiter down here on the bottom left for different regions in the world. I want to point out some more about this menu over here on the left and up here toward the top. This menu allows you to limit or focus your search results. So you won't conduct a new search, but you will be able to pull up specific results within this search. It's easiest to click on the link with the words for the one that you want. If you click on these radio buttons, you'll need to also hit refresh. This category of topics might be most helpful for you to use in the beginning because these provide good overviews of a topic. Also, dossiers would help you. They're complete reports with several different statistical graphics, and by scanning through these reports, you might think of additional points you want to make in your paper or presentation. And remember that these infographics are the supercharged ones with animations. Most of the hits you'll see are simply statistics with this icon. These are single graphs or charts with one statistic reflected. Okay, in the next video of this series, I'll show you how to access the statistics you want and how to save or copy and paste them into your documents.